This is part 4 of the ordinary level project. Rectangular workpiece. Okay, this is going to be the shape. Now the way this is dimensioned is it tends to be out from the center line. Same down here. So what I'm going to do first is find that center line and then mark out from there with the ruler. So the total width of the workpiece should be 48. So I'm just going to check that it is 48, and it is. Okay, so that center line should be at 24. So I'm going to get the Jenny calipers, set it to 24. Okay, and before I do anything else, I'm going to pick my datum corner. So I'm just going to pick the top left here. Okay, why am I picking the top left? Because that's a corner that I'm going to keep. Alright, so from that side, so I have the Jenny calipers set to 24. So I'm going to go from that top left side and I'm going to just draw a line all the way down the middle. Okay, so that's my 24. You can see that's matching up with the other side as well. Okay, so we want to measure either down from there or out from the middle. Okay, so from the top, this bend line here is set to 30. So I can use the Jenny calipers for that again, because it's going from the edge. So there's my 30. Line all the way across there, so that's not showing up great. So I'm just going to draw a line with that with the marker. So a bend line is always done with a dashed line. Okay, that center line, just go over with the green. So a center is a little different than a dashed line, in that it has long and short dashes. Okay, what else is needed? This broken line here, which is 30 plus 15, which is 45. So again, I can use the Jenny calipers. So I'll set that to 45 and go from the top again. Here's that line. Okay. To get this line and this line here, which will kind of complete the outline profile, it's out 12 plus 6. So 12 plus 6 is 18. So I'm going to do this with the ruler. So I'm going to get 18 on both sides of the ruler. So I have 18 here and 18 on this side. And that will allow me to draw a line here. So I just draw that line up to the marker when I have it lined up. This side, I'm going to set the ruler up with 18 at the top and the bottom. So I have 18 here and 18 here. Draw a line here. Okay. So there's those two lines. Alright. To find this here for the radius 6, so we're coming down 30 plus 15, which is 45, plus 14, which would be 59. So come down 59 from the top. So again, both sides of the ruler, I want to have it 59. Okay. So 59, 59, so the line across here. Can move it over to this side. So 59 and 59, that line across here. And then again, it's 12 out from the middle each side. So I'm gonna can't use the Jenny calipers for this because it's measured from the line. So 12 on the ruler both sides. There's that line. 12 again. That line. Okay. So what I'm gonna have there is these two little lines. I'm gonna have the point there and the point there. Okay. I need to draw my little radius 6. So instead of punch those. Get my divider set to 6. Okay, so there's one little radius. There's the other corner. So there's my outside profile. accessory file down there. Across here, this is also a bend line from the middle. Okay. So now, what's left to get? We have to get this hole here. So what we're talking is in 20 millimeters from this side and down 27. So in 20 millimeters from the left side. So in 20, and it's going to be just above that bend line, so somewhere across here. So don't have to draw a line the whole way. And down 27 from the top. So 27, both sides of the ruler. So 27 here and here. Line across there, so I'll make that with a blue marker. There's that hole. Then these two in the corner. So they're down 6 and they're out 18 from the middle. So what we can do is get the Jenny calipers to 6. So both of them are down 6 and then they're out 18 from the middle. So we'll get the ruler again. So out 18 that side, out 18 this side. Okay, which is going to give me, that hole is going to be here, that hole is going to be here. Okay, and that finishes off the whole workpiece. So you can see these have to be countersunk, so drill 3.5 and then countersunk. Okay, just make them a little bit clearer. Now another way you can do that is if you get 24, take 18, will leave you 6. So if you have the workpiece exactly at the right dimension, then you can also get the Jenny calipers and measure in 6 from the side. So that is that workpiece finished.